Hello, beautiful girls and ladies. How are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Does your morning routine feel like a workout? It's time to simply. Today, we are showcasing low maintenance short hairstyles that do all the work for you. We are moving away from high heat styling and moving lowered smart cuts. Haircuts designed to fall perfectly into place the moment you wake up. In this 5-minute gallery, we are exploring the set and forget styles for 2026. So let's get you out the door in record time. As we move through these slides, notice the precision Pixie. The secret to low maintenance is great foundation. When cut is tailored to your head shape, you don't need hairspray or a flat iron to make it look good. We are seeing a huge trend and internal weight removal where the hair is thinned from the inside so it lays flat and smooth naturally. Look at these ear tuck crop and nape hugging fits. They offer a sharp, professional silhouette that requires nothing more than a quick comb through. Quick comb through with your fingers. It's the ultimate power cut for a busy lifestyle. Next, let's look at the French girl bob. In these slides, you will see chin length cuts with soft, shuttered ends. This style actually looks better when it's slightly messy. We are highlighting air dry friendly bobs that embrace your natural waves to cowlicks rather than fighting them. Notice the invisible layers, they add volume without the frizz. Whether you have a natural curl on pin straight hair, these cuts are designed to be perfectly imperfect. Just a drop of hair oil or a quick scrunch with a towel and you have a high fashion look that lasts all day. A low maintenance haircut is the ultimate gift to yourself. It moves and more sleep, less stress and constant confidence. Which of these easy styles catch your eye? The sharp precision pixie or the soft lip in bob? Let me know in the comments. If you are ready for simple beauty routine, give this video like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.